Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to create a buy now button or a shopping cart through PayPal. You can use multiple options. You can take credit cards um, on your website using PayPal in two ways. One is by having a PayPal Pro, where you will be paying PayPal about $30 a month. When you sign up, you can sign up for Standard or PayPal Pro. Standard is free. You can still create the buttons in there, and you can have even a card in there. The other one is PayPal Pro, where you pay about $30, but you can take the credit cards on your website. That means you don't have to go to PayPal. It won't not transfer it to PayPal, but you will have to do more coding. They will give you an API. You will have to add it on. So everything will be done on your website. Nobody will know that in the back end you are using PayPal, but you pay for that. Plus, you have to do a lot more coding. The other cheaper version and the free version is PayPal Standard. I have created this account for you guys to use it in classes. You need to sign up for a business account, and again, when you sign up for a business account, you're gonna choose the standard one if you want to. That is for free. Plus, what happens is you can manage a lot of stuff in here. Okay, I forgot the password. So now they are logging us in, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna um, create buy now button, and I'll show you how to create it, how to do multiple things in here. Let's wait. Okay, there we go. Now here it is. It says a work option A, work with a partner that pre-integrated with PayPal. If you choose that, then you gotta get the API credentials. Okay, but the other option, the free one, is an easy one, is to create a payment button using HTML. Create a payment button right here. You click on it, it will take you to this page where you can create a button that will look like this. So let's say you say tire 123 item ID. That is in your records, that you must have your product. You must have an ID for that product so that you can recognize it, right? That is your business process. That is a SKU number. So let's say 1234, and that is $130. And you can say add a drop-down menu. What kind of drop-down menu? Number of tires, let's say. Number of tires. One tire is 130. Two tires, 200. Three tires, 290. Let's add another option. If somebody wants to buy all four tires, we'll say 350, right? We hit done. Shipping amount, let's say standard shipping is $25. Tax rate, let's say 0. Now it is saying use my secure merchant account ID. When you log in, it will ask you for your social security, last 4 digits of social, your birth date. So they will use that. If you have a business account, you may have a business ID that you can add it up there. Otherwise, they'll keep doing it on your social security. That's fine if you're individual. You can add that inventory in there. You can track a lot of more things, but we're gonna jump on the third part, where you can specify where to go after your transaction is done, which page to go on after your transaction is done, which page you want to go if your transaction is successful. Now here's the thing that you can check both. So let's say if I want to go to, let's pick up a page. Let's say we were going to M Hassan 242, not 242, MBD310. Let's find out a page, all registered users. So let's say this is the page that I want to go to whenever my transaction is done successfully. I want to go to this page, correct? Let's say if I want to go to another page, and we'll create this page quickly, unable to process .php. We're going to create this page quickly. And what you can do is, let's say if a person cancels this, on this page I can create a form where I will ask the user, why did you cancel it? So that I can email the person that say person did not like the price or whatever. We can find out and we can help the client a little bit better. The other page is the one where you will say, okay, you know what, client has already reached it, and we can send an email to the client that, hey, thank you for buying a product or whatever, and we can give them a message. And actually, let's change this. Let's say instead of going to this page, let's send it to thankyou.php. Okay. Now here it is saying that you can send advanced variables. You can send variables to them, like you know how we were sending variables like username and password and stuff. You can add those up here, and you can add it just as a PHP code too, but you don't have to. So we won't check that yet. And create button. It's very simple, and it will automatically do everything for you. This is the information that you're gonna need, and I will use this information in a second. But what I want to do is I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to say File, New, and create File, Save As. I want to save it as this page. This is a page where it's unable to process page, right? Save it, and I'm going to say, we are sorry, please fill the following form and let us know how can we serve you better. Alright, and then later you can create a form. I'm not going to get into that. You guys already know how to create that. So I'm going to save it and upload it to the server. And the other page that I want to create is a thank you page. File, save as thankyou.php, and I'm going to say thank you for your order. Correct? And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this information, select it, and then let's go to a new page. Let's create this new page too, and we'll say save as my_products. Correct? And here, depending on where your product is going to be, where this add button is going to be, I am just going to add it right here. Okay, so you can add it wherever you guys want. Save it, and I'm going to upload it to the server. Exactly the same way as it came in. And now I'm going to test it in Google Chrome. And I'm going to say, hey, yes. And you will see it. There we go. So I want to buy all 4 tires and buy now. And it will move me to PayPal. There you go. And it gives you $370. If I log in through my ID, it will send me the money too. It's that simple. And if I cancel it, guess where it's going to take me to? To my page on my website where we are saying we are sorry, please fill out the following form, and the form will be right here. How easy it is, correct? So this is what I want you guys to see if you can get that on your websites too. It's a lot easier, and if you have a professional website, let's stop the recording. If you have a professional website, you do want to have some kind of payment process going on, and it is really easy to create something like